How to create Payactiv account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how to create Payactiv account. Now, creating a Payactiv account and obtaining a virtual Visa card may vary depending on the specific services and feature available in your region. So Payactiv offers financial wellness solution including early access to earned wages, but the availability of certain features like virtual Visa card may differ by location. So here is a general step on how you can create a Payactiv account. So first of all, you need to visit the Payactiv website. So for that, you need to open up a web browser, and then on the web address bar, you'll need to type in payactiv.com. After that, it's going to direct you to the official web page of Payactiv. So then you can go through it all in order to view the statement. So over here, you'll be able to find an option as create your account. Now go ahead and tap on the create your account button. So in order to begin with, click on join now or join today, which is right at the bottom. So basically you'll have to provide your phone number. First of all, select the country of your residence. Now if you're only resident of USA or Mexico, then only you'll be able to log in. So click on send code button, which is located right at the bottom. Next page, you'll be asked to provide in the verification code and all that. Basically from here onwards, you'll begin with the creation or the registration process. So there you need to provide in your contact details. You also need to verify your identification by providing your ID or maybe passport. So once your account is verified, you may be prompted to set up a profile, including adding a profile picture and any additional information required. Now, depending on the services available in your region, you can explore and use the feature offered by Payactiv. And this may include accessing earned wages, budgeting tools, and other financial wellness resources. Now, regarding the virtual card, Payactiv may offer a card feature that allows you to make digital payment online or through mobile app when Visa card are accepted. To get a virtual card, you'll need to typically log in into your Payactiv account once again. After that, navigate to the section of platform or app related to virtual card or digital payment. Follow the steps to request to generate a virtual Visa card. Once the card is created, you may receive the card details, including the card number, expiry date, and security code, which you can use this information for the online transaction. So these were the steps on how you can create Payactiv account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.